Hello and welcome to my home. Today we're going to make a delicious smoothie with kale, fruits, and microgreens. It's going to be delicious. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, product reviews, videos on how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers, and meditation videos. So come on, let's go ahead and make that smoothie. The ingredients include the microgreens of alfalfa and radish. Now the radish is going to give it a little bit of a little spicy bite to it, and that's going to be nice. And the alfalfa gives it a nice fresh, I want to say almost clean woodsy taste. And then we have our chopped up kale. We have strawberries and blueberries. Have some ice water, some honey, and some cinnamon. Now I'm going to give you all the ingredient measurements in the description box. So let's get going. Now I like putting ice in the water because I want this to be a nice cold smoothie. So I'm going to pour, sorry for the noise, but I'm going to pour maybe about half of that. This is a total of 3 cups of ice water, and I put over half of that in there already just to give it a good jump start. And for the kale, I just use a handful of kale, and you wash that. It could be kale that you grow, or it could be kale that you buy in the store. I'm going to start putting in some of the strawberries. I got a nice banana. I think I forgot to mention the banana. Have banana, blueberries. Now, the blueberries and the strawberries that I bought were already in the frozen food section. But you can buy fresh blueberries and fresh strawberries and put them in your freezer so that it's nice and cold. And that will also help your smoothie to be cold. Now I'm just going to get this started before I add the rest of the ingredients. Yes, it's going to be a little loud. Yes, and your fingers are going to get a little sting, but that's okay. Let me put the rest of all the ingredients in here. Deep color. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer, see if I can. And that's it. Now I didn't use all the ice water, just enough to get it going. I'm going to pour it in a glass and we're going to taste it. Now that gets the spot. It's fresh tasting. Those microgreens really add that brightness to the smoothie along with all the fruits, the kale. This is a nice powerhouse of a drink. Make it for yourself and make it for your family. It is fantastic. If you like that video, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye-bye.